Hello everyone, welcome to the Machine Learning Fundamental series. This is Module 3, Video 1. So let us have a quick recall of what we did in the previous session. So in the previous video, we saw that data points can be represented in a feature space, which can be 2D, 3D or any other higher dimensional. And each data sample, whatever data we have, it becomes a point in the feature space. Now the next important question arises, how do we measure how close or far apart these points are? So if we have those points in the feature space, so how do we measure the distance? As we know, some points may be too close to each other, some points may be far apart. So how do we measure the distance? So we'll see in this particular session about the Euclidean distance. So after the end of this video, we'll be able to know how machines measure distance between data points and the idea of the Euclidean distance and why closeness matters in machine learning. Now, why the distance between the point matters? So we'll have this example. So this two points, as we can see, the red one, they are just fruits, so they are similar. Now, points which are close in feature space usually share the similar characteristics. So in this particular case, what we have these three data points, as we can say. These are fruits, but in our machine language, we have this. These are the 3 points in the feature space. These 2 points are close to each other, so they have similar characteristics. And these 2 points which are far apart, so they are different. So points that are far apart usually represent different types of data, as we can see from this example. Now regarding the measuring distance. So how do we measure distance? So to measure similarity, machines calculate distance between the points, and one of the common method is the Euclidean distance. So what is this Euclidean distance is? So suppose we have 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 in this particular graph. So the distance between these 2 points is given by this particular formula. So d, the distance between the 2 points, is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this formula calculates the straight line distance between the 2 points in the 2D space. Now let's see one example. So suppose we have these 3 points in this particular 2D space, and these are the distances between them. So this is point P1 having coordinate 2, 4, 7, point P2, 7, 3, and point P3 having coordinates as 3 and 6. So we'll find the distance, that is the Euclidean distance between point P1, P2 and P1, P3. So suppose D1 is the distance between point P1 and point P2. Okay. So this is 7 minus 2 the whole square, then 3 minus 7 the whole square. This is, if we calculate, we'll get 6.4. And D2 is the distance between P1 and P3. So this is how we calculate. So as we can see, the distance D1 is 6.4. So it is far apart. And the distance D2 between P1 and P3 is 1.4. So it is, even without the graph, if we just do the calculation, we know that which 2 points are close and which are far apart. So this distance tells us how similar or different the data points are. So here we can see this P1, P3 are close and P1, P2 are far apart. Now why this closeness matters? So many machine learning algorithms rely on the distance. For example, we have this algorithm k nearest neighbors, and then we have the clustering and the recombinant systems. So these algorithms assume that similar data points, they appear closer together in the feature space. We'll see in the coming videos. Now let's take a real world example, the fruit example. So suppose we have a feature space, 2D space, where x-axis gives the sweetness and y the color. So these are the 2 axes we have. So here we classify these 8 fruits based on the sweetness. So on the x-axis more the sweetness, and on the y-axis we have the color. So darker, as we move up, the color becomes light. So this is what we get. So apples, they cluster together. So they are more sweeter and they are dark, that is red color, and oranges they cluster together. So this is how we this similar fruits, they are close to each other, they are forming a cluster. So fruits that have similar sweetness and size, they appear close in the feature space. So here the important idea is close points, they are similar data, and far points, they are different data. So here we have this concept. This forms the foundation for many machine learning algorithms. This is this concept, that is close points, they are similar data, and far points, they are different data. Now next, what we are going to study in the next coming video is the concept of linear separability. So if similar data points appear close together, then different classes may form separate groups in the feature space. So take this example. Here we have again the previous example we are taking. So if groups are clearly separated, we can draw a line to divide them. So here we can see we are forming two clusters in this case. So we can draw a line which separates the two classes from each other. So this is the case of where we have the linear separability possible. So in the next video, we will explore how machine learning separates data using lines, and why some problems cannot be separated in this very simple way. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.